Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can delete group chat on Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and then logged into your account, and then you will see on the top or at the end of this page you will see your group, and now you want to delete the chat of that group. And you can see over here on the top I have the group, so I want to delete this group. So you can see over here, swipe it to the left and then click on more, and then you will see over here bunch of options over here. So you want to delete this group, so you have to do is click on delete, and then it's going to be deleted from your chat list, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.